Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use military discount on Amazon. First, you need to check Amazon's military discount availability because sometimes, they offer a limited time military discount. Usually this is around Veterans Day, and you can visit their Amazon's, military discount page to see if a promotion is actually active. But if it is, this is what it will show like, and I'll show you how to get this. So first, you need to verify your military status. So if a discount is available, you need to click the military discount link provided by Amazon. Just sign into your Amazon account and then enter your military details. You'll need things like your branch and service date. And the verification is basically done through SureID or another third-party service, for example, ID.me. Okay, and once you're verified, Amazon will automatically apply the discount to eligible purchases. And if it is a Prime membership discount, your annual fee may be reduced as well. You can just go ahead and check the discount before checkout to ensure that it actually has been applied, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, guys. And you'll see something like this on your checkout. And if you're happy with that, you can place your order. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.